Miners, today I will show you mining ton bot. This is the home page of the bot. Or link will be in the first comment of the video. Also of other mining verified bot, all will be in one link in the first comment of the video. Also my channel in Telegram. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join Telegram channel too. Like you see, this is the home page. For the first, how it's work, it's simple. It mine a limited toncoin with free power. How to get it's easy. Like you see, we have cards here. We buy cards here to get monthly earning. Like you see, this is our cards. For 1 ton you get surprise mining power. For 0.0015 ton you will get 0.00108 ton monthly. This is a generator, it's a card you can buy with your own mined balance here. It's very simple. You have daily task. Every day you have 2 tasks you claim like that. That's all. Daily you do this claim to claim this free mining power. Like you see, this is our friend. This stop this payment. Also for the first, it will gives you 4 round for a spin. You do a spin, and daily when doing a task it gives you 1 spin. Like you see, this is how it's work. It's very simple. We got this one, we claim, we run. We have 4 for the first launch. We have 4 spin to get balance. Like see, it's starting mining. Now we do the third one. Like you see, daily you enter, you do tasks, and you have 1 spin daily to get free ton to your balance. We collect for the first time like that, and we go and buy cards. If you want to deposit in the site at your own risk, we use always free way to mine. Now we go to our card generator. Like you see, we buy this one. We buy as many as you can until we don't have balance. Like you see, I buy 1. I get one generator. Like you see, and you let it work for you. And daily you enter and do tasks. You have you will get 1 spin. You do the spin, you collect here in your balance. You go to generator and buy cards here as you want, as you have in your balance. That's all until you get your payment. This is the airdrop. This is airdrop for TNRG. This is the coin of the bot. For payment, like you see, fee is 0.1. Minimum payout is 1 ton coin. You can deposit in the site too. If you click here, we don't have balance. You click in plus, you connect your wallet here. You can deposit here if you want to deposit by clicking in plus here. Like you see, this is a simple task. Also there is many other bots, verified bots, in the first link on the first comment of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.